Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to do hanging indent in Google Docs. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing you should do in order to do hanging indent is very simple. You have to first show this roller right here. So in order to show this roller right here, if you cannot see it, you can go to view, then go to show roller and click on this icon right here. As you can see right now, it disappeared. So I'm gonna go back to view and click on show ruler, and now here it is again. Now the second thing is that you have to make sure that some of your lines contain enter in the end and some other lines doesn't contain the enter. And this is very necessary in order to make the software know if this line belongs to the same phrase or not. So if you press enter in the end of the line, it will deal with the next line as it is a new phrase or something. So here, as you can see, I have clicked on enter in this point right here, and also on this point and in this point right here. So now what you have to do is to simply select all your text. Then right here, as you can see, you have this icon right here, a rectangle above and a triangle down below. Now you have to drag this triangle a little bit to the right side. Let's say that I want to drag it to the 0 right here. And as you can see right now, all my text was dragged to the right side. And now what you're going to do is to simply drag the upper part, the rectangle part of the text. Right now, I'm going to drag it to -44, for example. And as you can see right now, I have the hanging indent in text right here. And you just have to be careful when using the enter in order to reach the result that you want. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.